Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Antoine with Chump Production coming to you today with a video on MexcGlobal how to use it and how to get into longs and shorts and these stupid altcoins and make money every single day. Well, I'm about to show you guys how to do a long on this stupid token on the Solana network or whatever you want to call it because it ain't real. But bonk. Um, I'm gonna go into a long on this and see what happens. I made $94 off of it yesterday, just holding millions of shares yesterday. That I got at 0.5018, and I sold at 0.502688 or nine, one of the two. Anyway, so I'm about to see what's gonna happen. So what you want to do if you don't know, you want to go to futures, hit overview, and it's gonna take you here. So when you first get in here, okay, you want to change this to isolated. Click on that, and you can read what that's about. Don't do this until you know what you're doing. And then you want to go here because yours is going to start off at 20x, and you want to move this little, toggle this little thing here to 5x, and then hit confirm. Okay. So let me go to, and the way you change the assets is BTC USDT. That's, I'm gonna put in bonk. If it will get going. Ah, okay. Ah, man, you know. Yeah, that's it. I didn't know it was 1,000. That's a stupid name. Ah, okay. Man, my internet's going super slow for some reason. Okay, that's how you change it. This is the one right here. These morons. It's 50. Ah, no, that's not it. They don't have it in the options yet. I wonder why it's not in the options yet. Man, it sucks. They don't have it in the trading period yet, so I can't do it. But anyway, you can do a I'll go to BTC. Nah, I think I'm gonna do ICP. Okay, I'm gonna do ICP. So I got ICP up here, and you change this to 5x, put that on isolated, and I got a This is how you transfer your spot. You had to load deposit some altcoin. Like I would send ICP by ICP from Max Exchanges as your debit card, and and uh as your debit card and just buy USDT and then buy ICP. I mean, not ICP, USDT, and then get into a long or a short. And then when you sell it, put it, swap it, change it, take the USDT and buy. Okay, so you go here. Hold on, let me move this over. You go here and you transfer the USDT to futures. There you go. Man, ICP is really going up. Come on, buddy. Okay, then you move this all the way over. Open a long. So I'm gonna get 8.3 at 353. Estimated price liquidation is 353. All right, now let me show you this down at the bottom. Let's check this out. So I got 8.31 at 430.96. Fair price. Estimated liquidation price is 353.2. Why is it there? Oh, $3.50. Yeah, I got till $3.53. As long as it don't hit that, I'm alive. I got a hope in the trade. Okay. So that's how it is to futures. So I put $7 in. I'm up 0.1%. You know what I'm saying? That's I almost got 1 cent in USDT. So I'm making, look at that, every 2 cents, every 2%, I'm making 1 cent. So I mean that's all it is. The futures. And if you want to get out quick, as soon as you see your profits, hit this button and that'll stop the trade immediately. But don't put stop losses in. Just put chump change in there and go from there. The price is 440, so I'm in profit. Look at that, 1 cent. I'm gonna sit here and let this see what happens on this trade. See what happens. Hopefully, I can get 5 or 10 ICP out of that. I don't know. It just depends. Hopefully, I can send a trade all week. If I can send a trade for a week, then I can let the profits compound. I can keep coming to this video and showing you guys what's going on. But I meant to get in at 435, but it took me some time to get the money transferred over, and then had to wait for the deposit and all that. But like I was saying, you have to deposit Bitcoin or I mean USDT or Bitcoin or ICP, whatever you buy your altcoins, unless you buy it on this exchange. Then you have the USDC there, and then you have to go to here. Like I had Polygon, I just sold it, and because that's cheap like ICP. But you go here to put in the token name, so you can go down here. But here's a good one if you want to make some quick money. That's what like I made $96 on or 84 $85 on this yesterday. I got in at 0.5018. So I mean you can make a killing just messing with these stupid altcoins. Just gotta it's good that Bitcoin is going up because when Bitcoin is going up then it's easier to make money. The market makers are a lot more lenient with us retail traders. They'll let us compound it a little bit for a couple of days before they liquidate us. If we not if we're dumb enough to send a trade when we see the warning sign after you see that first dump, that first wave of dump, the price go down by 5%. Then that second one, that's the confirmation to sell because they about to dump the market. So he's warning you to get the hell out of there. You know, that second wave of dumps come, that's when you want to leave. That's what I did with this stupid coin yesterday. It's on Solano's network. But that's all I got for you guys. Hope you learned something, had some fun. Peace.